In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Tradingview lagging problem. If you've been using Tradingview to analyze your charts, you know how frustrating it can be when things start to lag, whether it's slow chart rendering, delayed updates, or just overall sluggish performance. These issues can really disrupt your workflow. The good news is that there are a few simple tweaks you can make to get things running smoothly again. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact process to optimize Tradingview for faster and more reliable performance. Let's dive right in. First, open Tradingview on your browser. You can do this by typing tradingview.com into your address bar and hitting enter. Once the page is loaded, the first thing you want to do is refresh it. Simply press the F5 key on your keyboard to reload the page. This step is important because refreshing clears out any temporary glitches or issues that can build up during prolonged browsing sessions. It's a quick way to reset things and ensure you're starting with a clean slate. Next, look toward the upper right corner of your Tradingview screen for the gear icon, which is often referred to as the Settings menu. Click on this icon to open up the Settings panel. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the section labeled System. This area is where you can manage how Tradingview interacts with your computer's hardware, and it's key to improving performance. Inside the System section, you'll find an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. What this does is allow Tradingview to use your computer's graphics card to render charts. By offloading some of the work to your graphics card, the charts can update faster and more efficiently. To enable this feature, simply click the toggle or checkbox next to it. Now, keep in mind, after enabling graphics acceleration, you might need to refresh the page again to fully activate the changes. So don't worry if you don't notice an immediate difference, just refresh and give it a moment. Now, if you followed these steps and you're still experiencing lag, the issue might not be with Tradingview itself, but with the browser you're using. Some browsers handle complex web applications like Tradingview better than others. If you're currently using Chrome, for instance, consider switching to an alternative like Mozilla Firefox, Brave, or another browser. Browser updates, compatibility issues, or even having too many extensions installed can all impact performance. Switching to a different browser can often resolve these kinds of problems. And there you have it. Those are the key steps to fix lagging issues in Tradingview. By refreshing the page, enabling graphics acceleration, and experimenting with different browsers, you should notice a significant improvement in speed and responsiveness. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.